Hi, I'm Allison Carter from Napo, Georgia, and I'm going to talk to you a little bit about Christmas and how to organize your Christmas things after the holidays. So, here's how Christmas looks in my house right now. What you're looking at is Christmas outdoor lights. See how it's nicely marked so you know it's outdoor lights. These are wrapping paper that are in rolls. This is wrapping paper that comes in bags and tissue paper. Then we've got our tree, which we've got a cute little fake tree that we've put back in the box. And down below, we've got white lights. Those are the white lights that we actually put them up indoors because we like how they look. Then we have another little pile here, which is decor. See, if you mark it, you know exactly what's in it. And there's even a plate that I have found that's waiting to go in. I count some of those trays and things as decor. And then my favorite kind of box for ornaments. It comes in 3 tiers, so you don't have to dig through them. You can actually separate all the tiers. So this is one way I recommend people do organize for Christmas, is separate all your stuff by how you use it, group things together, and put them into containers that you really like. So now, not only do I want to put my stuff in the shed, before I do, there's a few things that I didn't use this year. So I'm going to go through them and purge them. So I do love receiving Christmas cards and letters as much as the next person. I even put them up here in this funny mirror. So what a clever use of a mirror, huh? But the holidays are over, and as much as I love my friends, cards are not my friends. They're just clutter after the holidays. So I'll save some of the special ones, like this one with pictures, and I will toss the rest. All right, that's it. Those are some quick tips on how to organize your Christmas stuff. And if you have more than that, I know a lot of people have far more Christmas junk than I do. Just add more boxes, make sure you label them, and group things by how you use them, because if every box is a mishmash, it's really hard to find what you need again. For Napo, Georgia, I'm Allison Carter.